This one.
Don't film it, because if it was gold bars, I'm not going to be excited. So I'm just going to open it and look at it.
Okay, go ahead.
First of all, purple, lavender.
Pull it up, pull it up.
You're not sneaky enough, though, because I already knew.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No. How? You couldn't see inside the box.
I know, I didn't look at the box.
How? It's not even
You
possible.
were so interested in what I wanted, and then it got quiet. All of a sudden, you knew what you were going to get.
I'm always interested in what you want. I always ask you questions.
Not
Alice?
like this one. You got so detailed into things about it.
No.
It is awesome.
Oh my
How
God.
did you know I wasn't going to buy one?
That was the big debate. I had to watch you very closely.
The guns. I've been reading people about it, and they're like, it's so hard to get this or that. And I started to give up.
I was so happy when you did. Here, you need scissors?
Ew.
I used it to cut the food up bag. Careful.
Surprised that you
Surprise!
would even attempt to buy it.
I'm surprised you didn't notice who won the bid on eBay. Here.
Can't see names. But I didn't look anymore. After those people said they wouldn't.
Rip, before you look at more of that, look, open that one.
After they said they wouldn't ship it, I was like, I stopped looking at it. It's the box for it?
Yes.
Oh, you could have made me have me wait for this.
Yeah. Awesome. I know you're happy.
Toy City. I like stickers.
A what sticker?
I like the store, having the store they came from.
Oh, yeah.
So it's $22.88 reduced to $16.88.
Let me come around and...
I've never even touched one of these before.
You didn't have one?
No? The only thing I remember having was a Death Star.